Hello, this is Teresa from Color Crazy. I created this tips video to show you how you can add purse feet to Color Crazy tote bags. Before you get started, check your pattern for proper placement of the purse feet. Shown here, they're placed slightly inward, but your pattern may show them placed more at the outer corners, which will help protect the bottom of your bag. Using your fingers, pry open the prongs of the purse feet so you can fit it through the bottom of the canvas. And as mentioned before, make sure you check the placement of the purse feet with your pattern. In the pattern, they're placed slightly on the more on the outer corners so that it can protect the bottom of the bag. Use your fingers to clear any fabric that may be in the way. And you can use pliers for this, but you can also use your fingers to just bend the prongs inward and in place. I like using this quick grip adhesive to secure the purse feet. It dries really quickly and it's permanent, but you can choose to use something else. And just make sure you put enough glue around the prongs to hold it in place. And that's it. You just let this dry and then you're ready to assemble.